Well, yesterday we were tracking Tropical Cyclone Kenneth, and of course it made landfall late in the afternoon. Now, it's brought in a huge amount of rainfall already overnight, but it's dissipated very quickly as it moved over land, and of course that is because it loses its energy. It gets all of the energy from that warm water over the ocean, and as it heads over land, it loses much of that, so it starts to dissipate. And although it's a weekend, we're still expecting lots of rainfall over the next couple of days. Most of it occurring in the first 48 hours after landfall, but then you'll still see 100 to 200 millimeters of rainfall indicated in that shade of yellow, especially over the northeastern part of Mozambique, and we're expecting between 300 and 500 millimeters of rainfall in the shade of purple, and some places could even see up to 700 millimeters of rainfall, but of course that's over a couple of days. Now, in comparison, South Africa's weather is really quiet in the second part of the week, although we did see torrential rainfall into parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal for the first part of the week. Things have really dried out on Friday, and then you'll see some fog moving in along the west coast, making things feel a little bit chilly overnight. Overnight, we're also expecting some drizzle along the northeastern escarpment, and that remains in the forecast all the way through to Saturday morning. Overall, though, we're expecting clear and cold conditions across South Africa's interior. Quite a bit of low cloud moves in over the southern parts overnight, and then you'll see that drizzle along the northeastern escarpment through to Saturday morning, with a bit of cloud into KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. Overall, though, sunny and warmer weather is forecast across the country. Fresh southwesterly winds move in along that eastern coastline overnight and into the early hours of Saturday morning. We're also expecting fresh wind speeds off the west coast, with wind speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour over the western and southern interior into Saturday afternoon. Overnight, you'll see those chilly temperatures, cold especially into the Free State. 5 degrees for Bethlehem, 7 as we head towards Bloemfontein, and Sutherland dropping to 3 degrees overnight. Around 10 degrees for Uppington, Kimberley and R, as well as George. Cape Town at 14 degrees. Still warm as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal, with minimum temperatures remaining in the upper teens overnight. Around 10 as we head towards Gauteng and Bombela at 16 degrees. As we head into Saturday afternoon, you'll see that warmer weather across the country. Uppington and Vredendal both expecting a hot afternoon at 32 degrees. 25 for Johannesburg, 27 as we head towards Pretoria and Durban, with highs in the low and middle 20s as we head towards the Eastern Cape coastline. Graaff-Reinet just shy of 30, and Cape Town expecting a warm Saturday at 27 degrees. Things continue to heat up as we head into Sunday. 31 for Cape Town, 38 degrees for Vredendal, and you'll also see warm weather all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal, with a bit of light rain still remaining in the forecast for Bombela at 24, and on Monday we'll see some cloud in the southwest, as well as some rain for Bombela at 25 degrees, but you'll see that temperatures remain warm across the interior. And we're also expecting bergwind conditions over the southern and southeastern parts, resulting in sizzling hot weather. George topping 37, with Port Elizabeth and East London both expecting a sunny and hot start to the work week at 33 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now.